Spend the morning with me as a trucker's wife. I had to spend this morning getting my husband ready to go back over the road after the holidays. He was home for Christmas and New Year's, so we were super blessed. The hubby and I actually had a date night for the first time in a long time since having our youngest baby, Cameron. We stayed the night at the casino for New Year's, and it was a blast. We try to stay out of the casino because we spend way too much money at the slots. So we try to only go on special occasions. Anyways, right now I'm just cleaning out my husband's fridge and his truck. It really needed to be deep cleaned, so that's what we're doing. We're taking all the food out and gonna spray it down and get it all nice and shiny. I really can't believe it's 2026, you guys. I'm really excited for this year. I think it's gonna be one of our best years yet. My husband got a motorcycle and I can't wait to go on rides. And now I'm just using our vacuum to kind of clean up these little floor mats in here. Usually I wash them, but we are running short on time, so I just decided to vacuum them. And of course I have my Dutch Brothers coffee. My husband loves this Akaushi jalapeno cheddar summer sausage we get from the local meat store, so I like to cut it up and give it to him for a snack in the fridge. It's absolutely delicious, you guys. And it makes a pretty good little snack for him too. And then I had to give our boy Tank some love. He is a Cane Corso. We have a few of these. He was originally my husband's dog, but he likes me more. So we're just gonna go with that. And this Peterbilt floor mat needed to be touched up a little bit, so I took my magic eraser and just cleaned it off and then put it back in the truck. And then I put my husband's rugs back in. He loves these rugs. They're bathroom rugs and they're super soft, and I can put them in the washer and they stay clean. My husband and I actually had a Die Hard movie marathon because Die Hard is a Christmas movie. I don't care what you say. We watched all 4 of them while he was home for Christmas, and I'm obsessed. What do you guys think? Do you think Die Hard is a Christmas movie? And then I put my husband's Christmas present in his truck. It's his custom logbook I got from a cute little store on TikTok. And after I got the truck ready to go, my husband found a load, so he was ready to go. This is one of the hardest parts about being a trucker's wife, is saying goodbye, because you're never really ready for them to leave. No matter how long they're home, it's just never enough time. But we do what we gotta do, you know. Someone's got to keep this household running. And as always, that is it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!